Hello friends, welcome to CMA Academy. In the continuation of accounting guidelines for NBFC's parts, this is the second part of the video and we will discuss about principle for accounting investment. In first part, we were discussed about the income recognition, how NBFC has to recognize their income. In this second part, we will discuss about the principles for accounting investment. First is investment policy. NBFCs will invest their income into the market, and it is their core business that for investment into the market. For that, RBI put the requirement on board of directors to prepare a investment policy and submitted it and implement it, and also define the duration of investment in the policy. What is the duration of investment? Duration of investments categorized into two parts, that short term investment or long term investment. The board of directors has to define in their investment policy that what amount they will invest into their short term for short term and what amount they will invest for long term. Then if NBFC wants to transfer their short term investment to convert them into long term investment, or vice versa, they want long term investment to convert into short term investment, they has to recognize in their books of accounts. For that, they need to take in the transaction value. So they will take book value or market value, whichever is lower at the time of transfer, but it should be recognized on script wise basis. The fourth point is appreciation or depreciation. When we record each script wise accounting in our books of accounts by NBFC, so each script has shall be recognized individually, and if any depreciation is arise with that script, so it should be deducted from that script. But if any appreciation is arise, it should be ignored, and no set of is allowable between appreciation or depreciation with scripts, even if the scripts is from same category. In such case also, there is no set of policy provided for appreciation or depreciation set off. Thank you for watching this video.